You can read 你好, maybe even recognize a few Chinese characters, but when someone speaks, your minds go completely blank. It's not that Chinese is too hard, it's that most people start in the wrong order. So, before you spend hours memorizing characters, let's fix that. Here are 5 lessons that I wish my students would know earlier. They will make characters easier and help you actually use Chinese in real life. By the way, if you ever wonder how other learners practice, we have a small Mandarin community where people share short voice posts and real progress. Links below. Come to listen or just say hi. Here's what we'll cover today. 5 simple ideas that changes everything. Speak early, separate writing from speaking, see the patterns inside the characters, create immersion everywhere. Speak before you read. Let's start with the first one. A lot of beginners say, I will start speaking when I have learned 500 characters. That sounds logical, but it's the backwards. Language grows from sound and meanings, not from symbols on paper. When you speak, your brain connects tones, rhythm, and emotions, and those connections make the writing form easier later. So instead of memorizing lists, try this today. Learn a few useful words and put them in real sentences. So try this with me. 我叫 Jerry. 你呢? My name is Jerry. What about you? Okay, now replace Jerry with your name. Good. Now listen. 我在学中文. I'm learning Chinese. That's something you can use the first day you meet someone Chinese. In English, writing and speaking overlap a lot, but in Chinese, they are total different skills. Writing trains your eyes and hands, speaking trains your mouth and ears. If you try to perfect both at once, you double the workload and half the fun. Here's the better order. Say it first, focus on pronunciation and tones using pinyin. Recognize it next. Write it later, if you enjoy handwriting or need exams. That order keeps learning light and communicative. Try these lines next time you talk to a friend. 今天的天气很好. 你今天忙吗? Today's weather is nice. Are you busy today? Don't worry about writing them, just say them out loud. At first, characters look like random arts, but they are built like Lego. Once you understand the structure, Chinese starts to feel logical, even beautiful. There are 4 main patterns. First, pictographs. Picture that become words, like 日, sun, 月, moon. Second, indicators, marks that shows an idea, like 上, up, 下, down, 本, root, or tree base. Third, meaning combinations. 2 ideas form 1 new meaning. For example, 修, which means rest. It's 人, people, plus 木, wood, person resting under a tree. And 明, which means bright. It's 日, the sun, plus 月, the moon, means bright. Fourth, meaning plus sound. This is the 90% of characters. For example, 请, please. There is a radical means speech, and plus 清 is sound clue. And it's the same with 清, clear, 晴, feeling, and 晴, sunny. So when you see a new word, ask, what's the radical? What's the sound part? You will start guessing meaning and pronunciation, and that's real learning. Many people think progress only happens in China, but immersion is about attention, not location. You can build connections to Chinese wherever you are. Like change your phone to Chinese for 1 day. Label 3 things near you, like 桌子, table, 门, door, 杯子, cup. Or you can listen to one short clip while brushing your teeth. And each small touch tells your brain, Chinese is part of my world. Reading feels safe, speaking feels risky. But if you only read, you build silent knowledge, not real communications. So try flipping your learning order. Listen, repeat, then look at the text. Record short phrases you can reuse every day. Ordering, greeting, thanking. When you later see the characters, they will already carry a sound and emotions in your mind. Now, your turn. Pick 1 sentence from today's lesson and say it out loud. If you are in our community, post your voice clip. Hearing your own voice in Chinese is the real start of fluency. Your Chinese doesn't need to be perfect. It's just the need to be alive. Say 1 small thing today. That's how every fluent speaker begins. So comment below, which of these 5 lessons helped you the most? And download your free starter guide in the description. It's the same resources we use in our learning group. And if you'd like to practice with others, come join our community. It's friendly, simple, and real. So stop memorizing, start connecting. 加油, you have got this. I will see you in next video.